Morning. Today we're going to go to this market. We're going to learn some basic Thai phrases when shopping at a market. My Thai's okay, but I'll try for you. And yes, I've got my mask on because everybody in this market will be wearing a mask too. Welcome to Thai Days. All the links in the description for the market. Okay, let's go in. So the first thing we have to learn is how to say how much. How much is that? How lai cup? How lai? How much? So we have different kitchen utensils here. So if you want one, you'd say nung, 2, song, 3, sam, 4, si, and 5, ah. With you, there's some shoes as well. Wrong towel, the shoes are only 100 baht each. There you go. Okay, let's quickly go through the numbers then. Nung, song, sam, si, ha, hop, tip, bet, gal, sip. 1 to 10. And 11 is sip et. There you go. Sip song, sip sam, sip si, sip ha, sip hop, sip tip, sip bet, gal, you sip. You sip is 20. Sam sip. Si sip. 40. Ha sip. So you go ha, sip, hop, sip, something like that. And then you go up to 100, which is nung roi. And then it's the same process. And then you go up to 1,000, nung pan. And then if you're unlike me, you want to buy a Ferrari, you can say nung lan, which is 1 million, which I definitely do not have doing YouTube. Comment down below if you're interested in learning Thai, or if I've missed something in Thai, let me know. So as I was saying before, you can say Khao Lai Cup, how much. Now what happens if it's very expensive? Well, my owl cup, no thank you. And if you want something, you can use core. So for example, you've got some bottles here, core nam cup, core nam. So remember, Khao Lai, and then they will tell you how much. If it's too expensive, you can say my owl. And if you want something, you can say core, and then you just put the noun. We've got some more fruits here. If you want to see some more fruits or street food, you can see my friend's YouTube channel, Expat Paul. Go over there, it's a great little channel on the foods of Thailand. So when we get to the classifiers, like in English we say a piece of paper, piece, or a sheet of paper, which sheet would be a classifier. In Thai, they have many of them. So I've got a little bit of a cheat code for you. Now, bottle is kwat. So if you want one bottle of water, so nung kwat, song kwat, sam kwat, si kwat, ha kwat, right? So the bottle you'd have to learn. But there's a little cheat code that I use all the time, because even I can't remember all the classifiers in Thai. I will tell you that cheat code. Now you can see we've got some bananas and we've got different fruits. Now I just use the classifier "an" for everything when it comes to stuff like this. I'm sorry to the Thai people, I have no idea what the classifier for fruits are. I just use "an." So if I want 2 oranges, I'll just say song "an" cup. You know, core song "an" cup. And it's the same with like anything, like a banana. Core song and cup, core sam and cup. I just use this. And that's my little cheat code for you. Got some fruits here, si sip bar, ha sip bar, nung roi bar. We have some delicious pork on the street food as well. All the links in the description for the market and this store. Hey, that was probably a crazy idea. If you like it, you like it. If you don't, let me know in the comments below. Give it a try, why not? So I've got a small little channel. Anyway, like and subscribe. See you later. Bye-bye.